and that hook tip. I just run that across there a few times, just a little pin file. That's all it needs. It will still probably catch fish, but you will probably miss quite a few. So let's see what we can get here. Nothing so far. A few fish follows. There's got to be some fish out there. That's too good a looking spot, I think. There was a hit. Let's see what we got. There we go. That's a pretty good one. Oh man, is he gonna jump or what? That's a pretty decent one. Oh yeah. Get in here. That's a pretty good one. We're looking for a little bit bigger, but that's not bad there. First one of the day. Boy, it took a while. Glad I sharpened my hook. They're just a little thump, and you gotta set that hook right away. Go back and do your business, buddy. At least he wasn't peeing on me. All right, there's one. Let's see if we can catch some more. I say I feel any kind of weed or anything, I'm probably getting close to bed. There's another one. There's another one, guys. I don't know if this guy, don't even know he's hooked, unless he's just little. Here he is. Come on. Oh, darn it. I'm not even fishing for these guys. Little black crappie out there. Look at that guy. What a beauty. Beauty. See you later, buddy. Have a good one. Might have to move. Do, 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 do. There's a hit, guys. He was really hitting it. Oh, that's a pretty good one. What we got here, he's followed it and hit it. You can tell by looking out there. Oh man, what we got here, this guy's really fighting it. Oh man, what a nice bluegill. He ain't that big, he's fighting. What a beauty though. The colors on that baby. It's taking a while, we're catching some. Guess what? Let's put worm on there. Let's go with what works. I'm showing you guys sometimes stuff don't go as planned, and you think that bait there works all the time, just like the worms. I've had days where worms don't work. So there's a big old worm. If something don't eat that with that on that, all that bait on there, I'd be amazed. But I've seen bays where they won't eat a worm over an inch. Also seen days where the fish move and they can't get another bite. That could be what's happening right now. So there's a bite. There's a bite. He's running with it. See if we can keep up with him. All right, not a real big one, but not bad. Not bad at all. That big old worm, he swallowed it too, man, because he was running with it. Oh, he's peeing on me. Always point him down. They'll be right in your face, man. Oh no, he's peeing on me. Peeing. He's a peeing bluegill. I'm just trying to get the hook out. There we go. That's a pretty good one, actually. Nice colors on that baby. See you later, buddy. Splash me in the face. See if we can catch another red here. What we want. Oh, felt hit. Little breeze coming through, that feels good. There's a hit. Oh, oh baby. Oh, that's a good hit there. That's a good fight, man. Not a huge fish, but he's fighting. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, I just released this guy, didn't I? No, it might be a little smaller. Look at that. Totally different look of him. Awesome. What a fun time it is to fish. Even for these little guys. I may have done caught all the fish out there. Who knows? I don't think so. There's still a hit. Still catch small ones on that, but them big ones. Oh man, there's a big one. He jumped out there. Sometimes you just gotta find the right one. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh yeah. Get in here. Ah. It's a fun time on this ultralight, boys. Oh, that's a beauty there. Look how big that guy is. Oh yeah. Oh man. Get another release on him. See you later. You pretty much have to just keep on trying. When they get to that mode where they're gonna hit your bait, a live bait, let alone a lure. Some days they're hitting the minnows, some days they're hitting the worms. So you gotta try a little bit of everything sometimes. Thought I felt one, but maybe not. Watch that rod tip. There. See, there it is. There it is. Oh yeah, boys. There it is. All right. Got us another one. Man, they fight hard. Come in here, buddy. Oh yeah, that's a pretty decent one. These are all in the 8-inch range. 7.5, 8-inch. Beauty. Oh, splashed myself. You're slowly going back. Go finish your business. Reeled into the water. Now we're throwing in the same spot too many times, I think. Need to alternate my pattern, but you want to get what's in front of you. There's a bite. There we go. Yeah, 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 boys. Oh man, where's he going? He's going down the bank. Get in here. Get in here, boy. Oh man, this guy is moving. He ain't even the biggest one I've caught. Man, he's full of eggs, it looks like. Maybe a male. Find out. Nope, not peeing on me. What a beauty that is. All right, guys. What a beauty. See you later. See, that little worm was enough.
I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota.
About that time to go home, but I want to catch another fish. Oh, boys. Found it. School bluegill. Well, hopefully we got another worm, guys. Got another one. All right, might have a few more in there. All right, there's some small ones in with the big ones here, so you just gotta test your luck here. See if you can make a big one mad. They may not be the biggest ones, Let's go a little farther to the right. They're out there. They'll bite it. There's another bite. This guy, oh, this guy's a big one. No, he ain't too big. Oh, he's a fighter though. Just got him in a bunch of moss. Oh, look at this guy, guys. These must be the male. These must be the male red ears. Look how black that guy is on the bottom. Isn't that cool? That is cool. I don't catch a lot of those. That is cool. Probably normal for some people, but I just found that red ear here. Not even far out, not even far. See if anything bites it right there. There's a pretty good size one right there. Got him too. Man, they fight hard. That might be the same one. No, he looks a little different. That's a little bigger actually. It's peeing on me. All right, go back and do your business. Yep, a little lighter at the bottom, but got those dark fins at the bottom. Pretty cool fish, man. Ah, let's catch one more. One down here. There's a bite. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. That guy's fighting. Got some drag out of this guy. All right. Oh, that guy's a little bigger. Oh, if I can get his. All right, guys. See you next time. Bank Fishing Adventures. See ya.